So one day I'm going about my day when I run into this problem that I find interesting. So the problem says, given n non-negative integers representing an elevation map where the width of each bar is 1, compute how much water it can trap after raining. Now it's questions like this that really make you evaluate whether or not you're cut out to be a programmer in the first place, because and of course, being the full stack 10x multiple linguistic rockstar super genius programmer that I am, I was like, how hard can it be? So I spent the next 5 hours looking for a solution, or 5 days, I'm not sure. But anyway, I sort of maybe came up with a kind of solution, maybe, sort of. So it goes something like this. You have a given array which you want to represent as a bar chart, which you then break down into rectangles containing either blue squares or brown squares. Basically what you want to do is you want to represent the blue squares as zeros and the brown squares as ones. And then you return every blue square that is surrounded by at least 2 brown squares as they are, and the rest as red squares. Okay, I'm sure by now you're already beginning to see the problems that we may face by using this approach. You see, the thing is, by breaking down the array into smaller bits, we are effectively increasing the number of arrays we need to iterate through, which in turn would complicate the space and time complexity of our program. Now, for a little bit of context, as opposed to our 4-element array we used earlier, imagine running this program on an array that looks like this. And it was at this point that I realized that, okay, this problem is going to be a little harder than I thought. Anyways, in an upcoming video, I will be talking about a solution to this problem that actually works.